Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to edit or make photos like editors and professionals. First of all, you have to install an app from Play Store. So go to your Play Store. I will open my Play Store and search Polish Editor app. This is the app on second number. I have already installed it. If you have installed it, then it's okay. If you don't have it, you have to install. You can see its reviews and downloads. This is very best app for editing. It have many tools for editing. So I'll open this app. This is its starting interface. You can see. Click on the photo option and select your desired photo to edit. I will select this photo to edit. We will discuss one by one option in different videos. Many options are in this photo editor app. We will discuss one by one. First we will discuss this crop option. You can crop photos as your desire. You can see. I'll save this crop by clicking on the top of this photo. Rotate, terminate or rotate horizontally and vertically like this. Transform in x-axis like this. Transform in y-axis like this, as you desired. This is best option. This is the rotate option. If you want to rotate any photo, you can rotate it from there. This is vertical option. You can move it here, the photo if you want, and the horizontal. Another option is filter option. This is also the best option for photo editing. This app has many filters, as you can see, many free filters and some paid or pro filters also. You can see so much filters are available in this app. Some pro options and many free options. Free filter options are available in this app. Many glitch options are also available in it. You can see RGB, RBGB, negative, and many more glitch options are also available. Paid are also available. If you need paid, then you can pay and get these contrast, adjust brightness, and different adjustment options and tools are also available in this app. But we will discuss these options in different videos, and I'll explain this to you. In one video I can't tell you all things about editing, so we will discuss other options in other videos. We will save this photo there, and in next video we will start from there which we saved the photo. You can see photo is saved at this level which I have edited. We will discuss other options in next video. Hope you like the video. If my video is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.